What is up, everyone? In today's video, we are going to tell you how you can get paid to travel, but first, coffee. That's better. And yes, we are going to be those people and save the best for last, so be sure you stick around until the end. First up is remote work.
Prior to living in a van, I was an accounting manager with a company, and I also did some work on the side that I was able to transition into remote work on the road. I prepare personal and business tax returns for my clients. I also prepare any kind of other accounting work that's needed by my clients, like payroll, quarterly reports, estimates, consulting, anything of that sort that they may need. I help them with and can do all of that remotely.
And just because you're not an accountant, don't think that you can't do remote work. If anything, COVID has shown us that you can almost do anything remotely. Another way that we generate income on the road is we do photo and video assignments, whether it's working for brands or companies, creating content for their marketing campaigns, shooting weddings, or even selling prints. It's just nice to have that little bit of extra income, and that way it can help float us through and buy us a little bit of gas.
You can also do investments. So you can either do those individually or with a financial advisor. We actually do both. We do combo of all different kinds of things. You can go invest into stocks, into crypto, into mutual funds, aggressive, conservative. Basically, your options are endless and your portfolio can be as diverse as you are comfortable with.
And last but not least, rental properties. We have one of our houses that we Airbnb and the other we do long-term rentals in, but don't think that you can't do it if you don't own a house. You can actually sublease out somewhere that you're renting, and you can do short-term rentals in that. We have a friend who does this as her full-time job, and she rakes it in.
So just make sure you are reading your lease contract and make sure that subleasing is something that you are able to do if that is the route you decide to go.
Even if you're not traveling full-time, it's a great way to pay for your vacation and get some money back because no one's in your house while you're on vacation anyway.
There are plenty of other ways to earn income remotely. These are just some of the tools that we actually use personally and have taken advantage of.
Hopefully you found these tips useful. If you have any question about any of the tips, be sure to hit us in the comments. We'd be glad to answer those for you. We're Ben and Jelaine with Nomadic Visuals, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye.